Welcome back to Explore Error, how to find hidden videos in the gallery on your iPhone. So if you have accidentally hidden a video or you just want to find your hidden folder, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, the first step is to open the Photos app on your phone. Then just tap on one of your videos, tap on the three horizontal dots, and choose Hide. Now, once the video is hidden, I'll show you how to find it. Just tap on Collections at the bottom of the screen, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Hidden. You may need to use Face ID to open this folder. And here, you will see all your hidden photos and videos. Now, if you want to unhide something, just tap on the video, tap on the three horizontal dots, and then tap Unhide. The video will be moved back to your camera gallery.